Hey guys, Coach Logan here again, looking to do a morning puzzle rush, so let's get started. You got to rack up your score in the early ones when they're easy, so I got to get faster with, faster fingers with the back rank mates and taking pieces, so let's get started. Alright, so this one's going to be some sort of queen f6, yeah, queen f6, queen g7, okay, this one's queen takes. This one is smothered mate. Okay, this one is knight e7, is going to win the queen. This one, queen to g7 wins. This one, knight e2, should pick up the rook. This one, queen g8 should be good, and then queen g5. This one, queen h2 should lead to mate. Okay, this one, there's a back rank mate thanks to the wedge pawn on h6. This one, rook to d8 should be winning material. This one, well, I think if I take the pawn, I'm in a winning king and pawn endgame. This one, okay, I take this, and then the rook queen is hanging. This one is queen a5. It's chess.com's favorite tactic. Okay, this one, what's going on here? All right, if I take knights, they can take back with the knight. Let's see, loose pieces, any issues with that? What's going on in this one? Looking at all the captures, trying to figure out which one does something. Okay, I think if I take the knight, then they're allowing rook b8, which is a problem. Yeah, okay. Alright, this one, bishop h6, is going to lead to mate. Okay, this one, knight e2 should win material. We trade queens, and then the rook is hanging. Okay, this one, what's going on here? Rook to a1 should be mate. Okay, this one, what's going on here? If I take the knight, then I think knight c3 wins some material. Okay, this one, queen, looks like we can take on g4, and we just got to move the rook to safety. Okay, this one, bishop h6 is a decoy, and then we take the rook, or deflection, I should say. This one, queen takes e4, and the bishop covers c2. This one, okay, if we go check, should be leading to mate. Come on now. Okay, this one, let's go check, and then queen takes f7 is mate. Okay, this one, queen, it's got to be a back rank with the queen. Let's take, and then this is hanging. Okay, well, we'll trade that. That's fine. Okay, this one, I think rook takes c7 should be winning. Yeah, it's sort of an x-ray defense there. Okay, this one, we got to defend this pawn, and I think we should, they promote first, but we give mate on h7, which is nice. This one, this is again their favorite tactic, which is queen a4. Okay, this one, what's going on here? Okay, if I play, I think knight takes d6 should be winning some material now. Okay, this one, I think f7 looks like a promising start, and then we can slide this rook over, and they're getting mated. Okay, this one looks like bishop takes g5, and then queen d5 should pick up some material. Okay, we're making pretty good time on this one. This one, queen f6 hits the rook and checkmate, so they've got to give us something. This one, okay, so the queen is defending against mate. What can we do, though? Let's see, if we go check. Okay, I see it. Rook takes, now knight e7, and then we get mate on the back rank. Okay. This one, okay, I think if we slide this rook over with check. Okay, but how do we get mate? I think this rook comes here, and then we've got them in a kill zone. Okay, this one, oh man, I want to play rook c8, but the knight just takes. Let's see here. I think if we take the queen first and then throw rook c7. Oof, okay, that one I got wrong. All right, this one, what's going on here? Okay, I think we should push this pawn to try to decoy the pawn on b6. All right, this one, let's see, are we trapping the queen? No, I don't think it's one of those. Let's go f6. Oh, okay, thought that was leading somewhere, but I guess not. This one, I do think the queen is getting trapped with d4, and then I take, and the queen's getting hit. Okay, this one, okay, what's going on here? Let's take, and then I think rook c3 is pretty good, just wins material. Okay, we're at 36. This one, okay, let's go check, and then slide the king over, and then bishop e3, and this, okay, that should be winning. All right, we're at 37. All right, this one, let's see, they just, what side of the board are we on? Okay, they just queened. Somehow we got to be given mate here. Okay, what's going on in this one? Where's mate? Where's mate? Knight to d3. Then they take. Then we got check. I'm just going to throw a check out there. Okay, I didn't see it in time. All right, we got 37, which is okay. Let's see. Yeah, that was okay. That's a good score on this account, but still not 40. But I'll keep trying for it. Now I'm curious, though, about some of these ones that I got wrong. So let's just take a look. So this one I got wrong. Let's see. Okay, so let's try this one again now that we're not timed. I feel like there's got to be a mate on this king. I'm just trying to get my pieces there in time. I was looking at knight d3, but then the pawn takes, and then the king's not really caught in a zone. The other clearance move would be something like knight to g4 check here. The rook could then take. I'm still not seeing check, though, on the king. I mean, rook c4 doesn't do anything. So what is the answer on this one? I mean, let's see a hint. Okay, they're saying it's a knight move. Which one, though? I was looking at both knight checks. Knight g4, rook takes on g4. Is there a rook check that I'm missing? I don't see it. Oh, wow. Okay. All right. That's tough. All right. This one would have been really tough to find in time control. But yeah, you decoy the king over here, and then this amazingly is checkmate. The king can't move to e4 and g4 because of the rook. Wow. Okay. That one is... Well, that would have been a tough one to get. I guess again, as I did reasonably well for my my usual scores on this, but I got to be even faster to have time to find something like that. Let's see some of these other ones I got wrong. So there was this one. Okay, let's try this again. So they took, and this one I took, and then I went rook c7 trying to hit the knight. Oh, but no, okay, it's just knight d5 because if the knight takes, you have a back rank mate. All right, that one is not so hard. I don't know. I was going too quickly. And then this one, what did I do wrong on this one? Okay, this one, oh, I think it's just bishop d4. Yeah, and okay, all right. Yeah, those two were not hard. That last one, though, was tricky. Finding that tactic on the last one would have indeed been difficult. So, yeah, all right, that was a decent one. I'll give it another shot at another point. All right, see you guys next video.